Welcome to Bismarck Digital Satellite YouTube platform. There's a good news which I want to share with you. Uh, as for my previous video, I did a video about how to get digital stations, but unfortunately, the digital stations went off. But now we can enjoy the digital stations again. So I will use this opportunity to show you how to get it back. You see, I'm watching it. Yeah, this is how the digital stations look like. I'm watching it. You get your Mass TV and a lot of stations on it. This is the Mass TV. You have your three music. You have your Black TV, GTV Sports Plus, Sporty, GTV Sports Plus, and many on. Yeah. So I will teach you how to scan for it. So when you are scanning it, track your 28 degrees. Track the 28 degrees, which is the multi TV position. The multi TV position. So when you get your multi TV signal, but try to get a high signal. Try to get a high signal on your multi TV. So I'll press menu on my remote control. When I press menu on my remote control, I'll come to installation. When I select installation, then I'll press OK on my remote control. So we have two type of searching. We have two type of scanning our decoder. You can choose TP list. You can choose antenna setting. So the TP list, I will choose the TP list. So when I choose the TP list, this is the code you use to scan for the digital stations. Sorry. This is the code you use to scan for the digital stations. This is 12645, then 32699 or 32700. Yeah, and this is the other stations. So I will select OK. When I select OK, this is red line decoder. So I'll select OK. Then I'll place my info on the remote control. This is the info. Yeah, I'll place my info. Yeah, it tells you to place info for antenna setting. So I'll place my info. When I place my info, yeah, that is the satellite. I've come back to the antenna setting. So I'll come here. Have you seen this is the TP? I selected it. This is the TP. I selected it. So when you are scanning, make sure this super search you select on. Here it's off, so you select on. Yeah, you select on. After selecting on, we are scanning for this particular TP. Listen it carefully. We are scanning for this particular TP. So we will change the set type here. The set type here. So you press the left and right button on the remote. So I'll press it to select TP. We have a lot of we have different kind of set type here. We have satellite, we have blind, we have TP. So I'll select TP, meaning I'm scanning for this particular TP for the digital stations. This is the TP for the digital stations. So I will press blue, simply because we have this one red for satellite list, then the green for TP list. So when you press the green, you go back to the TP list again, and this blue is for search. So I'll place the blue for the search. Yeah, when you place the blue for the search, it shows TP FTA only, meaning free to air only. You can choose to select yes, because you can choose to select yes or no, because we don't have any scrambled stations there. So you can leave it. You can leave to be no. Then radio stations and TV stations you can choose all. Then network stations no need. We are the network settings no need to select yes or No, because we are searching for a certain TP. So after this, then you press OK on your remote control. So I've pressed OK on my remote control. So let's wait the stations to come. Like, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also install CCTV camera, do electric fence, gate automation, then electrical general electricals. You can use to call me or DM me. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I've scanned it already. That's why they asked me. They wrote no new channels found. So after this, then you press OK. So when you press OK, then you go back to your ideal screen. So I'll press after it. You can choose to press exit on your remote control or press menu on your remote control. So so you press exit. Then you enjoy your favorite digital stations. Yeah, you enjoy your favorite digital stations. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Bismarck Digital Satellite YouTube platform. Yeah, I install CCTV as I said it earlier. I install CCTV, electric fence, general electricals, gate automation. So plus the satellite installation. You can choose to call me. Bye bye. See you another time.